Hello everyone, welcome back to our manual testing interview questions and answer series. This is the part 12 video. As a part of this video, we are going to see the few important manual testing interview questions as below. So let's start with today's first question. Question is, what is performance testing? Performance testing is a type of non-functional testing that evaluates the speed, responsiveness, scalability, and stability of a software application under a specific workload. The goal is ensure the application perform well under normal and peak conditions. Key objective of performance testing: first, identify performance bottlenecks. Second, ensure system stability under load. Third, validate response time and throughput. Third, confirm scalability and reliability. Now let's understand the types of the performance testing. First, load testing evaluates application behavior under expected user load. Second, stress testing test system performance beyond normal capacity to identify failure points. Third, endurance testing checks system stability over an extended period. Fourth, spike testing assesses system performance under sudden extreme increases in load. Fifth, volume testing examines system performance with large data volume. So this is all about the performance testing. Now let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is load testing? Load testing is a type of performance testing that evaluates how a software application behaves under a specific expected workload. The objective is to ensure the system can handle the anticipated numbers of users, transactions, or a data volume without performance degradation. Now let's understand purpose of load testing. First, verify system stability under normal and peak load conditions. Second, identify performance bottlenecks, that is slow database queries, memory leaks. Third, measures response time, throughput, and resource utilization. Third, ensure application meets performance requirements. Now let's understand the example: simulating 1000 users accessing an e-commerce website to test its checkout process. Second, evaluating how the system handles multiple concurrent bookings on a travel website. So, tool used for load testings are Apache JMeter, LoadRunner, BlazeMeter, Gatling, NeoLoad. So this is all about load testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is stress testing? Stress testing is a type of performance testing that evaluates how a software application behaves under extreme or abnormal conditions. The goal is to identify the system breaking point and observe how it recovers from failure. Purpose of stress testing: first, determine the maximum capacity the system can handle. Second, identify system failures and bottlenecks under stress. Third, test application stability and reliability under high load. Fourth, evaluate how the system recovers after crashing or slowing down. Now let's understand the different example. Simulating 10x the expected number of users on an e-commerce website during a sale. Second, sending massive amount of data requests to a banking application. Third example, overloading a server to check its recovery time after a crash. So tool used for the stress testings are Apache JMeter, LoadRunner, BlazeMeter, Gatling, and NeoLoad. So this is all about stress testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is scalability testing? Scalability testing is a type of performance testing that evaluates how well a software application can scale up or down in response to increasing or decreasing workloads. It ensures the system can handle growth in users, data, or transaction without compromising performance. Now let's understand the purpose of scalability testing. First, determines the application's capacity to scale horizontally, adding more machines, or vertically upgrading software. Second, identify performance bottlenecks when the workload increases. Third, ensure system stability and reliability under various load conditions. Now let's understand the examples. First, testing how an e-commerce website handle a spike from 1000 to 10,000 users during a sale. Second, evaluating a video streaming platform performance when the number of concurrent viewers increases. So now let's understand tools used for the scalability testing: Apache JMeter, LoadRunner, BlazeMeter, NeoLoad, and Case 6. So this is all about scalability testing. Now let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is security testing? Security testing is a type of software testing that identifies vulnerabilities, risk, and threat in an application to ensure its data and resources are protected from malicious attacks or unauthorized access. It assesses the security measures of the system to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Now let's understand the purpose of security testing. First, identify security faults and weaknesses. Second, prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. Third, ensure data protection and compliance with security standards. Fourth, verify authentication, authorization, and encryption mechanisms. So now let's understand the types of the security testing. First, vulnerability testing detects known vulnerabilities in the system. Second, penetration testing simulates real-world attacks to find security loopholes. Third, risk assessment evaluates the level of risk in different components of the system. Fourth, security auditing review code, design, and security policies. Fifth, ethical hacking authorized expert attempt to hack the system to find weaknesses. So these are the types. Now let's understand tools used for security testing: Burp Suite, OSAPS, ZAP, Nessus, Aquanetics, Qualys, Metapolit. These are the tools used for the security testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the role of the test management tool? Name of few. A test management tool helps streamline and manage the entire testing life cycle by providing a centralized platform for planning, tracking, and reporting testing activities. It enhances collaboration among testers, developers, and tech stakeholders. Let's understand key roles of test management tool. First, test case management: create, manage, and organize test cases. Second, test execution tracking: monitor test execution progress. Third, defect management: log and track defect for resolution. Fourth, reporting and analytics: generate detailed report and insights. Fifth, collaborations: facilitate team communication and coordination. Sixth, required mapping: link test cases to requirement for traceability. Now let's understand the tools used for the test management. Jira with a plugin like Zepri or X-Ray, TestRail, Qtest, HPALM application lifecycle management, PractiTest, TestLink, Quality, ReQtest, Qmetry, Spira Test. So these are the tools used for the test management. Now let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the difference between Jira and Bugzilla? So Jira, project management and issue tracking tool; Bugzilla, bug tracking and defect management tool. Jira developed by Atlassian, Bugzilla developed by Mozilla. Jira primary use manages projects, issues, tasks, and bugs. Bugzilla primary use focuses on bug tracking and defect management. Jira ease of use, user-friendly UI with drag and drop support. Bugzilla ease of use, simple and functional but less modern UI. Jira integration supports extensive third-party integration. Bugzilla integration, limited integrations, mostly open source tool. Jira Agile support supports agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. Bugzilla Agile supports lacks dedicated agile features. Jira reporting, advanced reporting with customizable dashboards. Bugzilla reporting, basic reporting capabilities. Jira workflow management, highly customizable workflows. Bugzilla workflow management, limited workflow management. Jira pricing, paid with a different pricing plans. Bugzilla pricing, free and open source. Jira best for large teams managing complex projects. Bugzilla best for small to medium sized team focusing on bug tracking. So this is all about the difference between Jira and Bugzilla. Now let's move for the last question. Next question is, how do you manage test environments? Managing test environments involves setting up, maintaining and monitoring the infrastructure and configurations required for testing software application. It ensures that testers have a stable and reliable environment to conduct various types of testing. Steps to manage test environments. First, define environment requirements. Identify hardware, software, network, and data requirements. Second, determine the operating system, database, application server, and third-party tools. Second, create test environment configuration. Set up a separate environment for development, testing, staging, and production. Configure according to the application specific needs. Third, data management. Use production link data for testing using data masking if necessary. Ensure test data is regularly refreshed and maintained. Fourth, access control. Implement role-based access to secure environments. Provide testers with necessary access to perform tasks. Fifth, monitor and maintain. Continuously monitor the environments using monitoring tool. Identify and resolve issue quickly. Sixth, environment scheduling. Manage shared environments using a booking system or scheduler. Prioritize based on testing requirements. Seventh, version management. Maintain version control for test environment configuration. Ensure compatibility with application under test. 8. Backup and recovery. Perform regular backups of configurations and data. Implement a recovery plan in case of environment failure. So this is all about how do you manage test environments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.